Beautiful, Charlotte. Give with your hands, okay? Soften your elbows. Go with her a little bit. That's it. The softer your hands are, the softer she'll be. That's beautiful. Let your hands go with her. She's going poo-poo. Really nice. Really, really nice. How's that feel? Good. You want to canter up the... Never mind. That's good. Very good. Give her a big pat.